Optimizing user experience design, key steps and considerations for conducting UX design reviews. UX design review is a method for evaluating and optimizing user experience designs. It involves a careful examination of the design by professionals within the team or across departments to identify potential issues and provide improvement suggestions. The following are the steps and considerations for conducting a UX design review. Steps. Define the review objectives. Before starting the review, clearly define the goals and focus of the review. For example, it could be focused on interface layout, interaction flow, visual design, usability, etc. Invite appropriate reviewers. Ensure that reviewers with relevant expertise and knowledge are invited to participate, including UX designers, product managers, developers, etc. Provide design materials. Supply reviewers with sufficient design materials, such as interface prototypes created using Axure, design documents, user journey maps, etc., to ensure a comprehensive understanding of the design. Conduct independent reviews. Allow each reviewer to independently review the design to avoid interference and subjective bias. Document issues and improvement suggestions. Reviewers should record the identified issues and provide improvement suggestions. A table or review tool can be used to organize this information. Hold a review meeting. Organize a review meeting where reviewers can present their findings and engage in discussions and exchanges. This facilitates the collection of additional viewpoints and opinions. Determine priorities. Based on the review results, prioritize the identified issues to focus on resolving the most critical ones during the improvement process. Implement improvements. Based on the feedback from the review, make improvements and optimizations to the design. Ensure that the identified issues are addressed and adjustments are made based on improvement suggestions. Considerations. Respect others' opinions. During the review process, respect each reviewer's opinions and ideas. Every perspective may bring valuable insights. Focus on issues, not individuals. The purpose of the review is to identify and address issues, not to blame designers or other participants. Maintain a constructive approach. Provide constructive feedback and improvement suggestions to help the design team enhance the design, rather than simply criticize. Prioritize user experience. Always prioritize the user experience and ensure that the design meets user needs and expectations. Encourage diverse participation. Encourage individuals from different backgrounds and professions to participate in the review to gather diverse perspectives. Timely feedback. Ensure that the review feedback is promptly communicated to the design team so that they can initiate improvement as soon as possible. Through UX design review, the team can identify and resolve potential issues early on, improve design quality and user experience, and better meet user needs and expectations.